So now let's see how we can utilize the Softglow Legacy effect inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with Softglow Legacy effect, you need to first go around onto the filters menu, and then you need to go around under artistic. And over here you can see that Softglow Legacy is an option. Once you go around over here, you can see that since this is a legacy filter, you see the preview around over here itself. And you can change around the glow radius, as you can see right here, just like this. And you see the preview of the glow right here, just like this. You can change around the brightness around over here, just like this as well. And then change around the sharpness around over here, just like this as well, right here. So if I were to go around and press OK, then what happens is that the soft glow is applied, as you can see, and the overall image right here is softer, as you can see, just like this. If I were to go around over here, then you can see that I can go around and then apply the Softglow Legacy again right here, just like this. And then you can see that you can add in an extra layer of soft glow right here, just like this as well. Change around the brightness as you like right here, just like this. Press OK and you have it applied. So that is how you can apply the Softglow Legacy effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.